In this video, we will cover the installation of the SureSpeed meter and delivery system on a Kinze 4000 series row unit with the mini hopper. Before you begin, verify you have all of the required parts as indicated in your installation instructions. First, we will start by removing any of the applicable parts from the row unit: gauge wheels, scrapers, opening disc, seed meter, seed firmer, seed tube guard, and any wiring harnesses. Next, we will install the seed tube guard. Slide the new seed tube guard onto the shank. Once installed, make sure the guard is fully seated. The hopper mounts will be installed next. First, the original hopper mounts will need to be removed. Utilizing the original hardware, install the new hopper mounts provided in the kit. Next, the seed delivery rail and seed delivery tube will be installed. Remove any dirt or debris from the inside of the shank. Insert one spacer sleeve from the spacer sleeve kit as shown into each side of the seed delivery rail. Next, slide the seed delivery rail in from the top of the shank. Visually confirm the hook of the seed delivery rail is engaged to the lower shank pin. Then install the clevis pin and hairpin clip from the original seed tube. The seed delivery rail should not be able to be removed with the pin installed. Next, slide the SureSpeed delivery tube down from the top of the shank until it is resting on the seed delivery rail spring. Once the delivery tube is installed, connect the row CAN cable to the SureSpeed delivery motor. The SureSpeed meter will be installed next. First, install the meter and hopper on the row unit pivot bushings. Verify the meter is properly seated. Next, connect the row CAN cable to the meter motor. Then, adjust the latch to obtain the desired tension. Leaving the latch loose may cause the meter to bounce and cause performance issues. Connect the ASD hose to the meter housing. Lastly, install the vacuum elbow. First, cut the existing vacuum hose to the desired length. Install the provided vacuum elbow onto the hose. Then, push the vacuum elbow onto the meter. Now you will be able to successfully install a SureSpeed meter and delivery system on a Kinze 4000 series row unit with a mini hopper. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.